What's up, guys? This is not an ass standing man, but this is a kind of not really motivational, but this morning I found something that is very, very sentimental to me. And it symbolizes to me all the work that I put in to get to where I am today. So what I want you guys to do is, as you watch me talk about this, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what about you or what thing in your life can you reference to the work that you put in to get you where you are today. So I don't know if you guys seen this post, but I made a post and I posted these Uggs and in my cell phone, and I contribute my Uggs and my cell phone to all of the success that I've had up until this point and beyond, honestly. So we're gonna get into this right after the intro. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Bass from T-Shirts Side Hustle, and I help people start T-shirt businesses from home or wherever you at. And like I said in the intro, man, I just got really inspired because I got a few pair of Uggs, right? The black Uggs or whatever the case is. But I found the original first pair that I had gotten, right? And I'm gonna be honest, man, these Uggs at the time that I first got them for a Christmas present, they weren't my thing, right? And they're a size 9, and I put them on that one day and they didn't quite fit. They just felt a little too tight. I didn't wear them for a complete year later. I put them on and actually wore them, and then I never took them off, right? So sometimes you might try something on, but it might not fit for you, or you might not think it fits for you, but you gotta custom mold it to you. You get what I'm getting at, right? Like you have to give it a shot. You have to try it on. You have to wear it. You have to do that thing, and it'll eventually take shape and form, and it'll fit to you. Sometimes it may not fit, but when you figure out that it doesn't fit, I got a pair of Yeezys recently, size 9.5 or size 9 and a size 9. They fit perfect, but when I walked around in them, you know, the 9 left a little. It hurted on the bone of my foot, right, on the top of my foot, because it got a little lace that comes inside. And I had the 8.5, and the 8.5 fits very, very good too, but it hurt worse. So on the 9, I actually took out the insole as suggested, got some suggestions from somebody else, and I took them out and they fit good. They don't hurt as much, but I think I need a 9.5, right? Normally I wear a 9, right? 8.5, 9, 9.5, somewhere in there, depending on the shoe. You know how that stuff goes. But what am I really saying about this stuff? What I'm really saying to you is, you gotta try things out. You gotta put them on. You gotta walk on them. You gotta figure out if it's for you, because when you find what's for you, nothing can stop you but you. And whatever's out there for you with that thing is gonna be for you. It's gonna come for you, and can't nobody stop it. They can hate. They can try to block you. They can talk about you behind your back. They can go to somebody and say, you probably shouldn't work with that guy. I don't like that guy. They can do anything that they want to do. But if it's for you, they can't take it away. So I'm gonna take this Ugg off right here, right? And anybody who around me gonna say, throw them things away, right? Look at this, coming apart, man, right? And this is, I think I have 3 pair. I had 2 other pair since I got these, right? That's one shoe. Let me show you the other one. Same thing, man. Front coming off, right? But when I put these on, for me, it symbolizes that it's time to go to work. Think I'm throwing these things away? No, I'm probably gonna frame these and put them in the back of my live stream setup when I get the studio space set up, because they mean something to me. They may not, oh man, you may look at this and say they trash, but they're my trash, right? So I'm asking you guys out there, what symbolizes work? What thing about you symbolizes work? When I pull these phones out, I could be as tired as I want to be. I could be dead tired, sleepy, ready to roll, up 18, 19, 20 hours, exhausted. Especially when I get in California and I go to work. I could be exhausted, right? But when that camera comes on, when that phone pops up on that tripod and I go live, I know I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, because you wouldn't even tell how tired I was. You wouldn't be able to tell how sleepy or how I felt before that thing hit off, because I perk up and it's, how you guys doing? My name is Stan Basement. I got the energy. It comes from what I do, because I'm doing what is my purpose. I'm doing what I feel I'm called to do. And the only way that I would have got here is by trying things out, right? The only way that I would have got here is I wrote down this t-shirt styles from 10 blog articles. I looked at that and said, I tried it. I would need an editor. I would need somebody. I can't afford none of this stuff at this given moment. You know what? Let me try something else. I know this is not for me, because just my track record, or I could have toughed it out. But let me try something else. Let me not abandon the plan, but rather let me experiment with the plan and cut this phone on, prop it up on the desk, and say, welcome to T-Shirt Side Hustle. Let me try that. And the reason I'm asking you what symbolizes work is because about maybe 6 months ago now, I got a YouTube order from somebody, right? And here I am, a person that I don't care about the views on the video. I don't care about the subscriber count. I don't care about any of that stuff. All I care about is helping one person. If this video here motivates one person to understand, look at themselves, never had looked at this before, looked at one thing or two things or three things around them that to them symbolizes it's time to go to work. You know what I'm saying? When my dad wakes up in the morning, he gets in the truck, I know he gets to the construction site, he puts that hard hat on. That's that symbolization. Maybe when he lacing up his boots, it's time to go to work. Your mindset has to be off on work. Forget all the other stuff. I know life can hit you, especially. We don't have time to be in a slump as an entrepreneur. You don't got that time. But what symbolizes work? I recently got my first pair of designer shoes, maybe thanks to my man JT Hustles, man. He peer pressured me into getting something nice for myself. And I was gonna go back and redo it and basically do a video of me taking off the Uggs, putting on the Versace shoes. But even though I wear them every day, they start to look like these already, as beat up as these are. But what I'm saying is, now that I put these Ugg slippers back on, I feel like it's time to go to work. You know what I'm saying? So they like, yeah, throw them things out, man. Don't put them things back on. You know what I'm gonna do with them? I'll put them in the shop. I might come into the shop with some Air Ones or some Yeezys or whatever it may be. But when I get into that shop and if I slide the Ugg slippers on, that means I got laser focus on what it is. I know I'm ready. I don't mean I ain't gonna work in nothing else. But to me, my Uggs and the iPhone symbolizes it's time to go to work for me. You know what I'm saying? I struggle. You know, I know all about cameras. I was a really good photographer. Check out some of my work right here. But when I put these Ugg slippers on, when I put that phone on the tripod, I hit go, hit the red record button, it's time to go to work. So look at your life and comment down below and tell me, what are some of the things that you look at based on what you do that symbolize work to you? You know what I'm saying? I'm about to ride past Dunkin' Donuts, man. I used to love Dunkin' Donuts, man. Y'all know I lived on Dunkin'. Listen, I still love y'all, man. Y'all ever want to give me a sponsorship? You want to holler at me? I got some great ideas. Man, listen, because T-shirt size was fueled on Dunkin'. Now I got Naked. Naked, holler at me. You know what I'm saying? These are the things that you just got to look at in your life and be like, I need that. That thing right there contributed to my success. Appreciate some stuff, man. And people around you may not see the value in some old beat up Ugg slippers or whatever it is that, you know, they may laugh at you like, yo, why you? Bro, because they don't understand where I came from. I came from Ugg slippers. I put these things on for 2 years straight and I put my head down and I went to work. I could have had any pair of sneakers that I wanted. I got a closet full of sneakers. I could have put on any shoes on any given day. I love Huaraches. But when I put these Ugg slippers on, to me, it symbolized work. You can laugh, you can talk, you can hate, you can say whatever it is you want to say about them. But I contribute a good portion of what I do to the mindset that I put on when I have these shoes on, these UGG slippers on, when I put that phone on. So down below, comment, let me know what some of the things that symbolize work to you and what you do and when you're working in purpose. And also let me know if you know what your purpose is. Have you found your purpose? Have you not found your purpose? Why haven't you found your purpose? What do you think your purpose is? How could you improve upon your purpose? Man, this is not about t-shirts, man. This is about life. This has been your boy Stan Bass from T-Shirt Side Hustle. I'm gonna be down in the comments on this one especially. Man, I'm feeling energized today, man. Got these old throwback slippers on. I'm ready to go to work. Peace.